Irish Christmas cake. A dessert from Ireland. Serves 4. You will need 26 ingredients. Step 1. To make the cake. Step 2. Chop the citron, orange and lemon peels, dates and cherries. Reserve a few cherry halves for decoration. Add the raisins, currants, almonds, and pecans. Reserve a few nut halves for decoration. 3. Pour on the brandy and let the fruits marinate while preparing the rest of the ingredients. Step 4. Cream the sugar and butter until light and fluffy. Add the beaten egg yolks gradually, beating constantly. Step 5. Reserve 1 cup of the flour and sift the remaining 3 cups with the spices. Add the sifted ingredients gradually to the butter mixture, beating well after each addition. Step 6. Fold in the egg whites carefully. Sprinkle the fruits with the reserved 1 cup of flour and mix well. Fold the fruits into the batter. Oil and line a 12-inch springform pan with waxed paper. Place batter in pan and bake in 300 degrees Fahrenheit oven with pans of hot water in bottom of the oven. Place in airtight container and store until ready to use. Every 3 weeks, re-dip the cheesecloth wrapper in brandy. Step 8. Before decorating, glaze the top and sides of the cake with either apricot jam, thinned with a little water, or red currant jelly. This will help the marzipan to adhere to the cake sides. Step 9. To make the almond paste, form 2 cans of the almond paste into a ball. Place on lightly sugared or floured board and roll into a rectangle 1/8 inch thick. The width of the rectangle should match the height of the sides of the cake. Culture. The length should match the circumference.